A block rests on a rough inclined plane making an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. The coefficient of static friction between the block and the plane is 0.8. If the frictional force on the block is 10 Newton, the mass of the block we need to calculate. So let us take this is an inclined plane of inclination theta. Now a body is kept on the inclined plane. The forces acting on the body is 1 mg, which we can split into two components. If this angle is theta, this component will be mg cos theta. This component will be mg sin theta. Normal reaction will be n. The force of friction will act here. So we can draw the force of friction at this point as F. So in equilibrium, the friction force F will be equal to mg sin theta. So block is rest on a rough inclined plane making an angle 30 degrees. So since it is a rest, we have F is equal to mg sin theta. So total friction force given to us is 10 Newton acting on the block. So let us substitute the value here. This is 10. Mass of the block is m. Let us take g as 10 meter per second into sine of angle theta. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. So angle theta is 30 degrees. So simply the mass of the block will come out to be upon solving as 2 kg. So if the friction force on the block is 10 Newton, the mass of the block in kgs is 2 kg. So integer question, mass only single integer. So mass is taken as 2 kg. So answer we will write it as 2.